pick up now. Obviously, as you can tell by the box, it's an Air Force One. It's actually a Nike Air Force One utility, size UK 9, US 10. Open the box. You can see it's a different quality just from the paper. Like that. Got the Nike Air Force One Sketch, I believe is the nickname. It's just got the Nike tick kind of sketched in. It's got a little detail, and I think this was based on the original plan, so it was meant to be a bit like, you know, it was meant to have a unit. I'm not sure, but that's what it could have been. Turn it and it could have been like, you know, little tick on the back. I actually like these a bit better with the tick on the back, to be honest. The reason I bought these ones is because the plain whites were sold out, plus this leather quality is a bit better. I think it was only £5 more the difference, but I'd rather pay £5 and have a way better quality. Good looking shoe. The other ones were out of stock, so I bought this pair and I actually quite like it. I should have bought more than just 2 pairs. I should have bought 3, 4, 5, but my bank account is hurting right now, so obviously I couldn't. And I'll do an on-foot video for these, and just, you know, you can see that next.